Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change the theme in Shopify. First things first, we have to log in into our Shopify account and log in as an admin, obviously, and focus on left side panel that we have at our workspace. Here in the middle of your screen on the left side is Online Store. Once we click there, we can see that at the moment we are rocking this theme named Dawn. We can customize it as we like, or we can rename it, duplicate it, download, edit code, or default content. But if we scroll a bit lower, we can check more themes. For example, this one called Craft. And we're gonna click there on add, and we are adding the theme as we speak. It's gonna take some time, but don't worry. I thought that's gonna be quicker, but maybe the traffic on the Mondays here, it's working. Then we hit the publish button and we can publish it easily. As you can see, it's already implemented. Then again, we have you can check the whole stuff that is in here. At the moment I don't have any products ready. So that's about it, guys. That's how you change a theme in your Shopify account. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.